Hello students. In this lecture, this is the last lecture for probability. I have selected 5-6 important questions from exercise and I will try to clear your doubts. I will try to clear your concept about the questions. Now the question number 1 is, it is given on page number 99, question number 15, that the probability of a flight departed from Muscat International Airport. So a flight departed from Muscat International Airport, it is 0.14. Let A is the event that flight from Muscat International Airport is delayed. So you need to consider first the event. A is the event because probability of delayed is given, that the flight from Muscat International Airport is delayed and the probability is 0.14. So we consider the event A and the probability of A is 0.14. This is given. Clear? Now he's saying find the probability of what? 3 randomly chosen flights are all delayed. 3 flights are delayed. So if 3 flights are delayed, same question he is asking. So we need first flight is delayed and second flight is delayed and the third flight is delayed. And means multiply. And what is the answer? 0.14, 0.14 into 0.14. Now use calculator. What it is? 0.14 multiply 0.14 multiply 0.14. What it is? 002744. So this is the probability that the 3 randomly chosen flights will be delayed. This is question number 15. It is related to flight. Okay. Now after solving this question, we will solve another question I have chosen, and the question is related to the complement, at least event. What is the question? If a die is rolled 4 times, a die means a cube that having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If a die is rolled 4 times, clear, find the probability that at least one of the rolls is a 6. At least one of the roll is a 6. That means if you are drawing means rolling die once, twice, thrice and 4th time, out of these 4, at least one should be 6. What is at least meaning? At least meaning is maybe on 1 is 6, maybe on 2 is 6, maybe is 3 is 6, maybe is 4 or 6. All 4 having 6. At least. At least means, what is the meaning of at least? That we will learn first here. The meaning of at least means maybe 1 gets 6 or maybe 2 gets 6 or maybe 3 gets 6 or maybe all 4 die get 6. This is the meaning of at least here. Clear? Such a question where we are talking about the at least, we solve these questions with the help of complement. Complement means we solve this question with the help of complement. And how to do it complement? In such case, we find the probability that none of the die get a 6. None of the die get a 6. We will find the probability and then we will make the complement of it. So how we are going to do it? That this is the explanation of the problem. Now the solution. Let E is the event of getting a 6. If E is the event of getting a 6, then E bar will be the event not getting a 6. E bar is the event of not getting a 6. Clear? Therefore, probability of E is how much? Getting a 6. So 6 will be 1 out of 6 option. So probability of getting a 6 is 1 upon 6. And probability of not getting a 6 means, if not get a 6, what will get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability will be 5 upon 6. Clear? So in all 4 rolls, the die will not get 6 is equal to, what is this? The probability of 1 not getting 6, probability of second not getting 6, that you can call it probability of E bar. Then not getting 6 because there are 5, so it is this much. That means it is how much? 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 is 625, and 6 times 6 times 6 times 6 is 1296. And if you will change it into decimal, it will be 0.4823. So this is the probability that it will not get a 6. Now, so the probability of getting at least 1 6 in 4 throws, that means probability of E is equal to 1 minus probability of E bar. So 1 minus 0.4823, and if you will subtract it, it will be 0.7, okay, 5177. So this is the probability of getting at least 1 6. Clear? Next question is also similar to this question, and this question I have opted from the exercise. What is the question? Question number is 20, page 100. Using the fact that the probability of a flight from Muscat International Airport is delayed 0.14. Clear? Find the probability that at least 1 out of, now you can think about it, at least one out of 3 flights from Muscat will be delayed. So there are 3 flights, at least 1. So what is the meaning of at least here? You need to think it. At least means there are 3 options. What are the three options? And this may be, this may be. Only one flight delayed, at least means only one flight delayed, only two flights delayed, or all flights delayed. Flights delayed. So this type of problems we are going to solve again with the help of complement. Clear? So how we will do it? Let E is the event that at least one flight out of three is delayed. If E is the event, then what will be E bar? Is the event that none of the flights are delayed. None of the flights are delayed. That means all are right time. All are right time. Clear? Now you need to find the probability that all are right time. So P E is equal to that the flight is delayed is 0.14. Clear? And probability of E bar is 1 minus PE. That means how much? It is 0.86. 1 minus PE 0.14. So probability that the flight is delayed is 0.14 and the probability that the flight is not delayed is 0.86. Clear? Now we are coming to question. Please listen carefully. Probability that all flights are right time is equal to probability of P bar all right time. So it is 0. This is first flight, this is second flight, and this is third flight. So now you need to multiply this. So how much it is? 0.86 times 0.86 times 0.86. It is 636. You can take 0.64 approximately. Clear? So it is the probability that all flights are right time. Now probability that at least one will be delayed. That means you need to find the probability of E, and that will be 1 minus PE bar, and that is 1 minus 0.64, and the answer is 0.36. So 0.36 is the probability that at least one flight is delayed. Question number 4. Okay. Now what is the question number 4? It is question number 16 on page 100. If two dice are rolled means what is the sample space? Sample space is 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 14, 15, 16. Then 21, 22, then 23, 24, 25, 26, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, and 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, and 66. This is the sample space. So how many sample points are there? Sample points are there is 36. Clear? Now what he is asking? He is asking that the first die is even. So let A is the event that first die is even. So if first die is even, what will be the answer? 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, and 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66. So first die is even. Now what is B? Let us see B. B is equal to, and the second die is 1. When second die is 1? If second die is 1, so it is 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, and 6, 1. Only these are the possibility when second die is 1. Now, because he is asking for OR, so he is asking for probability of A union B. A union B is how much? It is PA plus PB minus PA intersection B. So we need to find A intersection B also. So let us find, is any A intersection B? Yes, 2, 1 and 2, 1. 4, 1, 4, 1. 6, 1, 6, 1. These are the common events. 2, 1, 4, 1, and 6, 1. So now PA, how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 3 is 18 upon 36 plus it is 6 upon 36 minus 3 upon 36. And it will be 36 and how much? 24 minus 3 is 21. Divide by 3 just to make it smallest. 3 times 7 is 21 and 12 times 3 is 36. So the probability that we will get first die even or second die is 1 is 7 upon 12. This is how you can solve it. Now we'll move to question number 5. I have selected total 6 questions. So this question number 5. Okay. What is this? 5 ticket number. Now, what is sample space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the numbers on the tickets are 5. Are numbered and placed in a bag. 2 are taken from the bag. And remember, without replacement. Without replacement. Clear? Now there are two type of events, odd events, even events. So let the ticket you are getting an even ticket. Even ticket are only 2 and 4. Clear? And B, the odd ticket. Odd ticket means it is 1, 3 and 5. So how many numbers are there? There are total 5 numbers. These are total 2 numbers. These are total 3 numbers. Clear? Now the question number 1. Both even is equal to first even, both even. Now we will find both even. Both even means first even into second even. And second even. Both. No. He is asking both odd. Question number A is first odd. So I have written wrong. Both odd. Question number 1. So first odd and second odd. First odd. How many total tickets? 5. Odd. How many odd? 3. 3 upon 5 into. Now it is without replacement. Without replacement means now for the next ticket denominator will be 1 less because 1 ticket we have already drawn. And because same odd ticket he is asking, so it is 2 upon 4. So if you will simplify it, 2 times 2, so it will be 3 upon 10. Now question number 2. Both even means first even into second even. First even are 2 tickets. So 2 upon 5 times 2 upon 5. Now 1 ticket we have already drawn because it is without replacement. So total is 4 and 1 ticket because both are even. So 1 we have already drawn. So it is 1 upon 4. So the answer is 1 upon 10. Now question number 3. One odd and the other even. One odd and one even. So one odd, what is the probability of one odd? The probability of one odd is 3 upon 5 into, because 1 ticket we have already drawn, so how many remaining? 4 remaining. And 1 even, how many even? 2. So the answer is 3 upon 10. Correct. 3 upon 10. 1 odd and 1 even. Okay. So this is the question number 5. Okay. Now the last question, and that is a very big question. The question is last question of the exercise, question number 21. Question number 21 over page 100. This is like in the previous lecture, we have discussed one question related to the Titanic ship. The same question is here. What is the question? That there are 500 students. These are 230 are males, 270 females, total 500. And in the exam, 26 students got grade A, 145 grade B, 193 grade C, 136 grade D. Now there are 7 questions. What are the solutions of this? So we will solve each question one, and we can solve 2 questions here because the space is here. The question number 1 means A. The student is male. is male. And please remember the same condition. If given condition, then only denominator is changed. Otherwise, denominator in every question will remain 500. If given condition, then only denominator change 500. How many male? 230 are males. So the answer is 230 upon 500. Question number 2. The student has grade D. Has grade D. So same 500. And how many students have grade D? Grade D are 136. So the answer is 136 upon 500. Now one more question we can have here. The student is not male. Is not male. And if the student is not male, that means what is the student? That means student is a female. Student is a female. And how many females are here? Not male means M bar. He is talking about M bar. M bar means not male. So not male means it is female. So solution is 270 upon 500. The student has grade A or C, or please listen carefully, or means addition rule we need to use. So P, A or C. Student is A or C. Probability of A plus probability of C minus probability of A intersection B. Sorry, A intersection C. So probability of A. Student got the grade A. So A, how many students? 26. C, how many students? 193. Clear? So probability of A means it is 26 upon 500. Probability of C grade means 193 upon 500 minus. How many common between A and C grade? There is no such figure. There is no common student between A and C. There is no common. Clear? So it will be 0. 0 upon 500. So what is the solution? Solution is 6 plus 3, 9. 9 and 2, 11. So 219 upon 500. A or C. This was question number D. Now read question number E. What is the question number E? We will E. The student has grade A and he is male. What is the question? Question is the student has grade A and he is male. That means you need to find probability of A intersection and male. Probability of A intersection M. So denominator no change. It is 500. A and M common. You need to A and M. This is A grade and this is male. So only 6 such students, those who have got the grade A and male also. So it is 6 upon 500. Now question number F. What is the question number F? Question number F we need to look into. The student has grade C given that. Now denominator will change because here the condition is given that he is male. Okay. So what is the question? Question is the student has grade C given that he is a male. And if this is the condition, what probability we need to find? Got the grade C, given that the male. So now total male will come down, given that male and C. Male and C means male will be come down 230 and how many C? 100. So it is 100 upon 230. This is. And the last question we will take is FG. And what is the G? G is the student has grade less than B. The student has grade less than B. That means what? That means the student got grade C or D. Clear? Because he is having grade less than B. And that means probability of C plus probability of D. And it is upon, because it is not a given question. So upon 500 and it will be C and D 193, 136. C is 193 and here is 136. And 6 plus 3, 9, 9 and 3, 12, 1, 329 upon 500. So these are the 6 important questions I have select for you. Please practice these questions. If you still have any doubt, please share me your problem in chat box. Inshallah, I will try my best to solve it. Thank you very much and best of luck for your pure mathematics.